We're Chuck and Lori. Pack your bag and join us as we explore Iceland. Today we're going to show you a rental home in Selfoss. We're taking you to an Icelandic pharmacy. And then we hit the road to explore the south coast. There's interesting and amazing stuff to see around every corner. Amazing waterfalls and caves to check out. So pack your bag and join us.
Iceland! Freaking incredible.
I know I probably said something was epic, amazing before, but this
is mind-blowing.
is crazy.
Yeah, check this out.
Beautiful.
Just incredible.
What's swimming in the water? Like,
Oh, it's an otter.
Are they? There's
Uh-huh.
a couple of them.
And they're otters.
After seeing that amazing iceberg, we had to make another pit stop to see this glacier. It took roughly 4.5 hours to get to our VRBO, so we got there pretty late.
Behind me is our house that we're renting in Selfoss. Well, just outside of Selfoss, really. But it's a really comfy place. We're going to show you around inside and take you around outside too. So come along.
Lori actually found this VRBO a couple of years ago, and it really made sense to book it for this trip. We had more than enough space, and the living room was super comfortable.
Icelandic smoothie. Very good.
And the dine-in kitchen was roomy and well-equipped, fully furnished and ready to go. The enormous bathroom was fit for a king or a queen. And the master bedroom on the first floor had everything that we needed. But this geothermal-esque hot tub, yeah, that was epic. It's pretty easy to find a really nice VRBO along the south coast of Iceland, so just take a peek and you'll find one that's ideal for your needs. VRBOs and Airbnbs are both prominent in Iceland. And it was time to leave the comfortable house to go explore the south coast a bit more.
So how do we get in here?
Well, we're going out the way we came in.
We couldn't see anything. Wait, there's our house.
Pretty cool, right?
But see, we would have seen it last night. We couldn't see anything. Oh, there's the horsies.
Yeah. I don't want to fly too close to them as much as I wanted to.
I wonder if that's like a horse farm or something. I couldn't even see. I can't pronounce the roads.
Nobody can pronounce the roads.
Well, somebody can.
It's not.
Just
not us.
No.
And the only trees in Iceland are basically willows. Although these look different, but that's what we were told.
The plan for today was to drop back to the south coast and see some stuff that we didn't get to see the first time around. But before we do that, we had to make a pit stop.
Bridge porn. Bridge porn. Minor bridge porn in Iceland. Big trucks. While we wait for traffic clearance. When you're in Iceland, if you hurt yourself, like get a cut or a contusion or something, you better have antibacterial ointment and Band-Aids packed with you because it's hard to find them in a grocery store. You have to go to a pharmacy, and that's where we're going right now, as soon as I get a chance to turn left. Okay, here we go. Now the next challenge, to find a place to park.
Unless we just go, what happens if we go straight?
So in this case, it happens to be, oh, that guy's parked so illegally. Just not gonna worry about him. Okay. So he doesn't care. Honey badger. We're going in here. We're looking for, there it is. Okay. Lori's gonna lead the way. This is where we need to go. In here. We are in the pharmacy and we got what we needed. We found plasters, which are bandages. And we found this stuff right here, which isn't triaminic or antibacterial ointment or anything like that, because you can't get that in Iceland without a prescription. So we had the next best thing. But if you're traveling, make sure you pack the stuff with you, like we said. Can you pronounce this?
I can't even see it. Appelsin.
Or he says it's a Appelsin.
No, Appelsin.
All I know is it's really, really good orange soda in Iceland. And I like it.
I think it's Appelsin.
It's really good.
Is it like Orange Crush?
It's better than Orange Crush because it's in Iceland. Everything is better in Iceland. Oh my God, this is good.
So you're gonna pack some and bring it home?
We've said it before and we'll say it again, driving the south coast of Iceland is epic.
Actually, the weather's getting a little bit clearer, so maybe they'll clear up a little.
That is just
It's
unbelievably
crazy.
cool. Yeah.
And like I said before, it's a little bit of Maui, it's a little bit of Scotland, it's a little bit of Alaska. It's a little bit of Ireland that we haven't been to yet. It's a little bit of everything.
This is crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy beautiful. There's interesting stuff to see along the drive every second.
I could stay here for another week, actually.
Just a week?
And that's exactly why you probably want 2 weeks to check out Iceland.
We don't know what this thing is, but we're walking towards it. It looks pretty cool. We'll find out the name later.
You know what? I think the Yeti lives in there.
If the Yeti lives in there, this will be a one-way trip. Watch your step through here.
This is definitely cool. And this is definitely where the Yeti lives. Or maybe Sasquatch. Something lives up there, Chuck.
Oh yeah,
A giant troll.
this is super. This is super cool.
I think a giant troll lives in there.
We're going to the troll cave.
Look, it's got the troll stairs.
Do it.
But like,
No,
take
you
my
do whatever you
time.
gotta do. We're just going up first. And these crazy steps right here.
Yeah. So which way am I going then? This way? Yes. This is
You
quite,
can do it.
I know, but I hate to say my legs have already been working out. This is like,
We're doing it. This side is probably a little better, but like,
I thought this side might be.
wow, you gonna grab onto to come up.
I don't know. I might just stay here because I'm feeling creeped out.
Loftsalahellir is one of those really obscure places that not many people go to. And you might just have it all to yourself.
You made it. Yay.
Yay!
Iceland.
No matter where you go on Iceland's south coast, you just have to stop at stuff like this. It's just too cool not to get a closer look. And then we had to go find this one particular waterfall.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. But we're gonna.
This is amazing.
Yeah, this one's pretty impressive right here.
Actually, everything about Iceland is pretty impressive.
Yeah. This one? Yeah. We don't have the energy to go up the steps after what we just did, but let's pop the drone up and get a closer look.
Just like, can you tell if it's a problem?
I don't know.
Easily?
You don't know it's a problem until it's a problem. There we go.
Skogafoss is one of the biggest waterfalls in Iceland. It drops 60 meters and is 25 meters wide. And the coolest thing about this waterfall is it's very accessible. You can park and walk to it in minutes, and it is mind-blowing.
And all of Iceland has crazy waterfalls.
Indeed. This is a good one. But there's a lot more to see, so we're going to roll out. Wow. That's crazy.
So when you're on the south coast, definitely make a stop here. Wear your raincoat. You get close to the falls at the base, you are gonna get wet. But oh my God, it's worth it. Iceland! We're not done showing you the south coast yet. There's a lot more to see. We're gonna take you inland a little bit to see some waterfalls. And we're gonna return to Reykjavik to show you more of that too. So pack your bag and join us next time.
Iceland!